Hello and welcome to this second video tutorial of OpenCart Warehouse Management System. In the previous video, we showed you how the admin from the admin backend panel can initially configure the module and how he can make use of the different options like creating the warehouse, assigning the checking the assigned orders to the respective warehouses, creating the stuff as required, and setting up the totes for the warehouse inventory system. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you the staff order management using the mobile application itself, and we'll show you the workflow of the same at the staff end, how the staff members can basically log into their application initially, how they can check the order list that have been assigned to their respective warehouses, how they can verify the products as well. So under the order list, all of the orders would be visible, and they can basically add it to a tote as well, and can complete the order and can update the status for each of the orders as well. So let's go ahead and let's see how this particular OpenCart warehouse management system mobile application works at the staff end, how they can access the mobile application and manage the warehouse itself for the orders, and how easy is it to do the same. So for that, let me take you to the mobile end now. So before proceeding to the mobile application end and showing you the staff management for the warehouse orders, let me go ahead and let me place an order as a customer initially, and after that, for that particular order number, we'll be showing you how that would be assigned and how it can then be processed by the staff members for the respective warehouse. So for that, let me first take you to the web store front end, and I'll place an order as a customer first. So I'm at the web store front end right now. So let me log into my account panel by entering my email and password. So now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'll just search for the Canon product. And as I showed you in the first video, I had added this particular to the row 1 there. So we'll be placing an order for the same product. So I'll just select the color, its quantity, I'll add it to the cart. Now I'll just make it checkout, and okay, I'll be choosing the different options that we have here before placing the order. Okay, and on the confirm order section, I'll just tap on the confirm button. So total is $85, as you can see, and the order ID is order number 11, right? Okay, so that was how the customer would be able to place the order initially. And now let me take you to the admin backend, and let me show you how the admin would be able to assign this to a particular warehouse first. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel. So here we are at the admin backend panel. Let me navigate to first sales and then orders to check the order. So here's the order number 11. So let me tap on the view button, and this brings up the details of the order. Now under the choose warehouse option, I can choose the warehouse where I want to assign this particular order to. So I can assign it to warehouse number 1, and we have the staff as John Doe for that. Now I'll tap on the assign product. So we have successfully assigned the product to the staff now. So that's how the order can be placed, and then how the admin can assign that particular order to the respective warehouse and to the staff for that particular warehouse as well. Now let's go to the front end and let's see how the staff can manage the order using their mobile application itself. So here I am at the mobile device right now, and I've installed my warehouse management application. So using this application, the staff that we have created from the admin backend can now basically access the details of the order and can complete the order as well. So this mobile application can be used for the staff order management for the OpenCart warehouse management system. So now let me tap on the app itself, and you'll see that we have a login system here for logging in. So we had assigned the order number 11, if I remember that correctly. Yes, we had the order number 11 for the total of $85 for that camera that we just showed you. So now we had assigned that basically to the warehouse 1, and the staff was John Doe. So now using the same, John Doe would be logging into his warehouse management system by tapping in the login button. And as soon as he is logged into his application, he can see the order list option and the verify option as well. Now what is there under the order list? Let's go and let's see. So I'll just tap on the order list, and this brings up the complete details of the orders that have been assigned to this particular staff member for managing the order. So here you can see that we have order number 8 and order number 11. So order number 11 was just placed on the web store as we showed you, and the admin just assigned this particular order to John Doe and for the warehouse number 1. We also showed you how we had set up the what we say as the location within the warehouse itself. So now the staff will just tap on here for this particular order, and here you can see that we have the Canon EOS for quantity 1 right now, and it's available within the warehouse itself at 3 places in total. One is at row 2 column 1, and then we have the rack 2 shelf 3, and we have 2 more places. So before beginning further, what we need to do is this particular staff would now have to add this particular order into the tote. So for that, at the bottom right hand side, we'll tap on the add button to add the tote to the order itself. So as to add this particular order to the tote. So I've just as this is just a demonstration right now, so what I've done is that I've opened the barcode on my laptop. So I'll tap on the add button. So we'll allow the warehouse management to basically take pictures and record audio so as to scan the barcode itself. So I'll tap allow. So now I'll be scanning. Okay, I've assigned this particular order to the tote. As you've seen, I've just scanned the particular barcode there. Now you can see the tote 1 has been assigned to this particular order, and here you can see that we have the product name with the quantity, and we have 2 more options to view the other locations for this particular product. So these other locations actually show us where exactly this product is within the warehouse itself, so we can easily manage reaching the product there. So we can go to the row 2 column 1 rack 2 shelf 3, or row 1 column 1 rack 3 shelf 3, or we can go to the row 1 column 1 rack 3 shelf 2 as well. So it is available in the shelf 2, shelf 3 and shelf 3 as well. So I'll just tap on the OK button. So we have added the tote for this particular order, and now before proceeding further with the workflow of this particular mobile application, we have already shown you, we have checked the order, we have added the order within the tote, and the rest of the process I'll be showing you now. But before that, let me take you once again back, and let me tap on the 3 vertical lines, on 3 horizontal lines actually, and here we have the initiated, started, picked and packed statuses. So basically initiated means that whenever the order is assigned to a staff member and no activities has been taken on the order, then this would be the status of the order. Started would be set up when the order states have when the staff member is working on the order, then it says started. So started would be associated with it. When the staff member adds the production to the tote, the order status will be picked up, and once the verification of the order is done, this will be the status, that is the packed. So initiated, started, picked and packed are the 4 different statuses for the order that has been assigned to this particular warehouse. So now let me take you back to my product section here, and now so after I've added the tote for this particular order, now what we need to do, we need to tap here on the product itself. So I'll just tap on the product, and here you can see that we can basically add the quantity to the tote, and but before doing that we need to scan the product barcode. So I'll just scan the product's barcode here. All right, it has scanned. I'll increment the quantity of this particular product, and I'll tap the right arrow that you can see on the bottom right hand corner. You can also see that we have a green marker on this, that the product has been scanned. So here you can see that now we have the items as collected. So would we want to submit it for the verification or not? So we'll tap on the submit button, and thereafter, so now we have added the product quantity to the tote. Now we need to verify our thing. So what I'll do is I'll just navigate back, and I'll be tapping on the verify thing first, and thereafter what I'll be doing is I'll have to scan the tote once again. So I'll scan the tote once again, and this would display the products within the tote itself. Right now you can see we have two different products there, and after doing that, what the staff member needs to do is he needs to verify it, and for that, on the top right hand corner, he'll tap on this tick mark, and to verify the items that he has added into the tote. So here you can see the prompt that says, do you want to mark the orders as packed? So you can tap on the submit button, and you can see that the order status has been updated for these products and for this particular order as well. So we can go back to the order, and now you can see that the order number 11 shows a green icon there. That means that the order has been basically processed and has been packed, and hence this allows a perfect warehouse inventory management at the staff end within who are working within the warehouses itself. So that was much about the OpenCart warehouse management system using the mobile application which has been used by the staff that we have created, and how easily they can basically manage the warehouse orders itself, how they can check the orders, and how they can basically verify the products as well. So I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the same using the mobile application. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.